Alpha Math Lab, Lab 21. Select Lab 21 from Math Lab Home. Lab 21, Histogram and ogive, frequency polygon from grouped frequency table. Or select Labs from Math Lab Home and click on Lab 21, grouped data, histogram, ogive and frequency polygon from grouped frequency table. Click here to enter random values. MATLAB enters some random values as a grouped frequency table. The lower limit is 10 and the upper limit 19. Next class lower limit 20 and upper limit 29. The classes are not continuous. The corresponding frequencies are also given here. Draw histogram. The classes are 9.5 to 19.5. MATLAB makes the classes as continuous classes, 9.5 to 19.5, 19.5 to 29.5, etc. And the corresponding frequencies are entered over here. And the class width are 10 for each class except the last class. The last class, the class width is 20 because it is from 79.5 to 99.5. Since the class widths are not equal, it calculates the frequency density, which means frequency divided by the class width. And all the frequency densities are written in the last column. And it plots class intervals on the x-axis and the corresponding frequency densities on the y-axis. And draw the histogram for the given data. Delete graph. Draw ogive. MATLAB prepares a cumulative frequency table with upper limits of the classes, upper limits of the continuous classes, and plot an ogive. Delete the graph again. Draw frequency polygon. MATLAB calculates the class marks, which means the midpoint of each class, and enters the respective frequencies in this column and plot the frequencies against the midpoint of each class, hence prepare the frequency polygon. If you want to copy the graph, click copy. You can paste it on any document. If you want to copy the table, click on this control and paste the table on the document. Back to lab again. Now clear the values. Enter sample values again. Now you can edit these values and draw histogram for the values you enter. Changing the frequencies as 10, 20, 30, 5, deleting all the zeros. I'm trying to draw the histogram. You see a different histogram has been constructed. Keep changing more values. 15, 20, 28, 50, 75. You see a new histogram has been constructed. Click delete graph and table. Draw ogive. You get a new ogive for the new set of frequency table. Draw frequency polygon. A new frequency polygon has been constructed. Try changing these values again. The lower limit of a class must be greater than the upper limit of the previous class. But here, intentionally, I put the lower limit as 20, smaller than the upper limit of 21. Let us try to draw the histogram. It gives you a message box saying that lower limit of a class must be greater than or equal to the upper limit of the previous class. Class limit should be in the increasing order. Please correct the entry and try again. And it also shows in which class interval is the mistake. So we have to correct the lower limit of this class from 20 to some other number, at least 21. Now draw the graph again. This time it drew the graph again correctly because the lower limit of this class is greater than the upper limit of the previous class. Draw the ogive, draw the frequency polygon. Select labs.